I'm going to show you exactly how to upgrade your Canva workflow using a simple method that helps you find better elements and level up your designs instantly. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's dive in. First, head over to Canva, click on Create a Design, and choose any canvas size you want. Once you have your blank canvas, go to Elements on the left-hand panel. Normally, you would head straight to the search bar. Type any word related to your design. For example, if you're making a flash sale poster, just type your keyword, hit enter, and drag the element you want onto your canvas. It's fast, simple, and it works for most designs, letting you quickly build something that looks polished and professional. But here is where most people stop and where you can really stand out. If you want to bring your designs to the next level and uncover elements that are not easily discoverable, there is a neat trick you can use. Open your browser and search for Canva keywords. Click the first or second result that appears, and you will find a collection of special keywords and codes that unlock unique element styles inside Canva. These are not the default search terms everyone uses, so they can instantly make your designs look more creative and diverse. Once you find a code or keyword you like, just click the copy button, go back to your Canva design, and paste it into the elements search bar. Canva will instantly show you a set of elements that are usually hidden or harder to find with standard searches, giving your design more depth, more options, and more professional appeal. This method is perfect for all kinds of projects, whether you are making social media graphics, posters, or even more complex marketing materials. It saves you time scrolling endlessly for the right element and gives you access to curated, high-quality designs that elevate your work. The best part is it is super easy to do. Once you know the keywords, you can keep applying them to any new design to stay ahead of the curve. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You have learned how to start from a blank canvas, search elements the usual way, and then take your designs a step further with hidden Canva keywords that unlock new styles and elements. This technique is quick, efficient, and perfect for anyone who wants their work to stand out with minimal effort. If you want me to make a full series revealing even more Canva hacks, shortcuts, and pro-level tricks, just hit like and comment Canva keywords, and we will make sure you get access to all the best tips. And if you want to get free Canva certifications, we made a separate video for that as well. You can either check it out by clicking the link in the comment section next to this crash course, or watch the full tutorial to start earning your certificates for free. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.